In this video, we are going to show you the restoration process of an old axe. Let's start step-by-step process. In the first step, they took an old axe full of rust, dust. Upper layer is become rusty, and they are going to wash it through electrolysis. They are pouring it some kind of material on it, looks like a coloring. Now removing upper rusty layer with grinder and making it shiny. Upper layer is removed. Now they are designing old vintage design, making some kind of art on it. Design is ready. Now starting electrolysis process for remove mold, rust and dust from this axe. You can see dust particles, and now rust is removed. Cleaning it in a fresh water. Cleaning it with oily liquid and coloring from it. Again, making it shiny on a grinder machine. And now rubber to make more shiny and remove all particles. Wow, this is amazing. You can see this amazing result. Now they will put handle in it and our axe will be ready. You can see how this restoration took place. Now putting color on the handle and make it vintage design axe for us. You can see now the final amazing result, and our axe is ready and ready for cutting wood.